Have you ever looked at a map and wondered why countries near the poles seem so much bigger than they actually are? Or why Russia, the world's largest country by land area, appears to dwarf continents like Africa? Here's a surprising geographical truth. Africa is actually far larger than Russia, despite what traditional maps might show. So why do so many people still believe Russia is bigger than Africa? Let's break it down and uncover the reality behind one of the most common misconceptions in the world of geography. The root of this misconception lies in a map projection that has been used for centuries, the Mercator projection. Created by Flemish cartographer Gerardus Mercator in 1569, this map was designed to help sailors navigate the world's oceans. The Mercator projection stretches the poles to create straight lines for navigation, but it also distorts the size of land masses, especially those near the poles. This distortion makes regions like Europe and Russia appear much larger than they truly are. Mercator's map works well for navigation, but it does not accurately represent the relative size of land masses. The closer you get to the poles, the more inflated these areas appear. Take Russia, for example. On a Mercator map, Russia looks enormous, stretching across a huge portion of the map. But in reality, Russia's total land area is about 17.1 million square kilometers. The truth about Africa's size. Now let's talk about Africa. The world's second largest continent by land area, Africa spans a staggering 30.37 million square kilometers, nearly 78% larger than Russia. Yes, you heard that right. Despite how Russia appears to dominate in the Mercator projection, Africa's size is absolutely immense and far beyond what most people realize. To help put Africa's vast size into perspective, let's do a few comparisons. You could fit the entire United States, along with Canada, into Africa 3 times. Or how about this? You could fit China, India, the United States, and most of Europe all together inside Africa, with room left over. Africa is huge, but the Mercator projection has hidden its true scale for centuries. Thanks to modern technology, we can now more accurately see the true size of Africa. Tools like the True Size of Africa allow us to compare land masses without the distortion of the Mercator projection. When you do this, you'll see just how much land Africa actually covers, more than double the size of Russia, as you can see right here. But why does this matter? Well, it's not just about geography, it's about perception. For centuries, the Mercator projection has contributed to the misconception that Africa is a smaller, less significant continent, while inflating the importance of regions that are far less impactful on a global scale. Africa, with its massive land area, is home to an abundance of resources, diversity, and potential for growth, and it's time we start seeing it for what it truly is, a continent that deserves the world's attention. So, next time you glance at a world map, remember that appearances can be deceiving. Africa's true size is mind-blowing, and it's a continent full of untapped potential. Let's change the way we see the world. If you found this video informative, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to AfriFacts for more surprising and eye-opening facts about Africa's history, geography, and its future. Don't just take the world at face value, question what you see on the map. Stay curious, stay informed, and join us as we continue to explore the incredible facts that shape Africa's identity and its role in our world.